just gave a poll on Instagram and most of you guys say that I should do this. I'm gonna do a budget video where I tell you that 5 things you must have. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first thing you must own is a good pair of earphones. So basically what I used to do, I used to buy cheap earphones and I did not ever invest in a good earphone. So what happened, I later on understood that you need this in your life. Like you invest in a good earphone that will last you longer than like अगर आप cheap खरीदोगे तो वो कितने महीनों तक चलेगा, 6 महीने 7 महीने, then you again have to buy another one. So but this one I have bought it like last year around October I guess, and it's still very good. Nothing is wrong with it. So this is from Boats. I've bought this for I guess rupees 400 or 500 rupees, and it's a really good price and a very good deal. I have bought this from Amazon. You guys can also buy it. So you guys must own a very good pair of earphones which is a bit pricey, like not below 300-400 rupees. You should buy it like above 400 rupees, then you can assure that it's gonna last you longer. Next thing you must have are texties. So I own a lot of texties. So this is from Bewakoof. I had got this as a gift. So basically I love texties. I have like 5 to 6 pair of texties. I love wearing them because they are comfortable first of all, and they go with everything, jeans, skirts, shorts, everything. You guys should buy some good texties t-shirts which you can pair with anything you want. So yeah, this was the second thing. The third thing is a body scrub. So basically I had a lot of tan because I used to go to the college, then come back, and it was like all exposure to the sun. So I really got tan, पूरा shade ही change हो गया था. So I invested in this and it is really good. It's for 600 rupees or 500 rupees I suppose. I'll mention all the prices here somewhere. So this has a lot of quantity firstly, and it removes tan, it nourishes your body, it exfoliates your skin, it takes out all the dirt which is hidden in the pores. So this is one thing which I have invested and I'm really proud of. You guys should buy this one if you want a very clear and glowing skin. It really works, and it also comes with a spoon, so it's really easy to even apply to your skin. Just take a scoop, apply it on your skin. You guys should try it and let me know if it works for you. The next thing is something which I understood very late, but this is a mask, a face mask. So basically what I do is I apply it twice a week, and I have seen a very big difference. It first of all has Upton turmeric, so it removes tan and it also helps in my acne scars. Firstly, and secondly, so when the mask is dried, just before washing it, just scrub it and wash it. So it's gonna give you a more effect, because what happens, it removes the dead cells while you scrub it off. So this is one thing which has totally changed my skincare game, to be very honest. So you guys should buy 2 to 3 masks, not more than that. You don't need more than 2 to 3 masks in your life. So you just need to use few good masks and you can actually understand the things which it does. So you guys should buy this. It's really good and it's affordable also. This was another thing you must buy. You must own a very good mask. The last thing is a good laptop. So basically you think that you can do everything in your phone, but a few things are there for which you need a laptop. I have a Delca laptop. So I bought this 2 years back and it really works very nicely now also. This is the laptop which I have. So I got this for around 35, I guess, 35 or 40, and it works amazingly. Just not Dell, any other company would be, but you just need a laptop in your life because everything you just can't do with your phone. You need a bigger processor to work a lot of things, because now you may manage a few things, but later on when you will do presentations, then you are gonna write something, because I like writing, so often I do it in my laptop because phone में नहीं होता, इतना छोटा screen नहीं होता है. So I use my laptop for that. I just transfer videos to the laptop and then I edit it in the software I use. It is Wondershare Filmora if you want to know. It is a necessity for us because after all, at a point you will need a bigger thing, not a phone. So yeah, invest in a laptop. You will really understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it because this was really honest. The things which I have invested in, I just shared it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So yeah, we will meet each other next time. Bye.